Thank you to Thermaltake, Lexar, and HYTE for sponsoring our CES coverage.
Hello and welcome to the Scatterable channel, and today we are here at the HYTE booth, and there's a few things I want to show you guys, especially the new RGB system where they're offering a new hub, especially with a hub that's actually going to be integrated inside their Q60 cooler, which we're going to get into real quick. But I want to show off their new keyboard. I have not previously seen this before, but this is their HYTE Keeb, so that's K-E-E-B TKL keyboard. I have not seen a keyboard like this with this plastic sort of exterior, and as you'll see here in the B-roll, the RGB diffusion with this plastic actually works out. I feel like there's a lot of keyboards that you see online that look like they have nice looking RGB, but when you actually receive them in person, they don't look that fantastic. Either the RGB is too much, too crazy, or too little. But I'm letting you know here in person, the diffusion coming off of the Keeb TKL is really pleasant. And luckily, these are using HYTE's version of linear switches, which are most akin to, say, a Cherry MX Speed Silver. So the actuation point is a bit shorter. So this is more designed for gaming. So it's got the looks and hopefully the performance as well. But don't worry, this is still somewhat of a custom keyboard. If you wanted to take out all of these individual keycaps and the switches and put in your own, you can absolutely do that on the Keeb TKL. This will hopefully be coming soon. It's pretty nice. I might request one because it just looks so unique and it actually works. But now let me show you what HYTE is really trying to show off here at CES. But here's the big stuff that HYTE is wanting to show all you guys, and that is their completely brand new RGB ecosystem. I know there's a few of them out there on the market, but what HYTE is claiming is that they're the forefront when it comes to this, not just technologically, but also in terms of budget. So first thing I want to start off with is their Thicc, and that's with, I think, 2 or 3 C's, probably 2 C's, Q60 AIO. Now, yes, this is a thicker radiator with thicker fans. So although this only comes in a 240 millimeter size, its cooling performance is still going to be greater than that of a traditional 240 millimeter AIO. But what's cool about this, if you can see right here, is that there's this little module here at the top of the radiator, and that's because with every single one of these Q60 AIOs comes with its own built-in RGB hub. And this RGB hub, it isn't something that you just put in 5-volt ARGB connectors. It isn't something that you just put in traditional connectors in. This is set up so that you can easily and seamlessly connect different RGB cables, fans, and other accessories to this overall ecosystem, while again, reducing on the amount of cables. For instance, if you just want to add on fans, these are magnetic. You can just hook them up, and let's say if you had these fans and they were connected to the hub here or to a Q60, and you just wanted to add an additional RGB strip, you can use their Type M connector, M for being magnetic, and just put this right here, and you can add on more connectors as well. So the fans, the radiators, and the RGB strips here, they're all connected together, which all again can port back to a single radiator or to a Q50 hub. Sorry, HP50 hub. And the other thing that HYTE is wanting to achieve with this new sort of RGB ecosystem is that you don't have to have a HYTE case to utilize this in your PC. You can use a case from a different manufacturer, but with that provided hub, you can use their fans, their radiators, their RGB strips, however you want, and you won't feel constricted to, say, like having to use a singular case, because I know there's other RGB ecosystems out there that incentivize you to stay with their preferred cases. But with HYTE, there's at least that flexibility that can let you do this in nearly any case you want. And I think that's it here at the HYTE booth. That's pretty much it. Their cool new keyboard, the Keeb TKL, and their fully integrated and brand new RGB ecosystem that works with their new Q60 Thicc radiator. So that is all I got to show you guys here today. If you like this, give it a like. That helps out. And if you enjoy these CES style videos, do subscribe to the Scatterable channel because we got more coming up. You got to stay notified. So with all of that said, thank you so much for watching. And this is the Scatterable channel, signing out.